What's going on, you guys? It is December, the holiday season. We're so excited. I'm getting ready to go to church, but real quick, we decided we want to eat pho today. So what better day to eat pho than on a Sunday, right? I'm going to show you guys how to make chicken pho. Since I've received messages on how to make chicken pho, a really fast one. Families like ours, we don't have time, right? So we can't spend all day making pho. So we're going to make chicken pho today. And if you want to see the beef pho, check out the link above and you can go there. But this is going to be a really quick one. I'm going to make chicken pho using Cornish hens. Okay, I got two of these right here. I got two, and these are really, really good. They get very, very soft, and it's amazing. So my daughter loves it, right, Rossini? Yep. She's on the camera right now. So I'm gonna put these in the pot over here. I got a pot of boiling water. This is a 16-quart pot, and I'm gonna put these in, and then when I get back, I'll put everything else in about a couple of hours. All right, so I'm gonna I put the two chickens in here. Now I'm gonna salt it a little bit. This is Himalayan salt, and give it a little bit of flavor. And then I'm gonna put the cubes in. I know I got a lot of hate stuff on my other video as far as the cubes, but you know what? This is for flavor, and so they sell it at the Vietnamese store. So obviously people are using it. I know I use it, and it tastes good, right, Rossini? Mm-hmm. It tastes amazing. So again, this is for quick pho. Okay, if you got a busy family, busy life, you want to eat some pho, this is the way to do it, guys. Within just a few hours, you can be chowing down on some amazing pho. All right, and then one more thing. I got some haters as well on my other video about putting oyster sauce. You know,
don't know what
look,
talking about.
It makes it taste good. That's all that matters. Boom. That's enough, not too much. And then I'm gonna put these cubes in. They just come in cubes like this. They're like bouillon cubes. Okay, so I'm gonna put this whole packet. There's 4 in a packet. All right, guys, so I put everything I need in, and then I'm just gonna let it kind of boil a little bit. When I go to church, I'm gonna turn it down so it doesn't like boil over, burn the house down. I'm gonna head out of here because I'm late. I'll check you guys later. All right, guys, just got back from church. It was amazing. But now it's time to finish up this pho. So this pho broth has been boiling for 2 or 3 hours since we've been at church. And I gotta put in a few more things since I was running, a little late this morning. I gotta finish the rest. So I got the cilantro here I just washed. As you guys will know from my other video, I like to put the ends of the cilantro inside, just like that. And I'll cut this up a little bit later. I gotta kind of blacken the onion, then I'm gonna put it in here as well. And I'm gonna put a couple things of star anise in there. You can get that at the Asian store. So I don't like too much of it, and my kids don't like. If I put too much, it's a little overpowering, so I just put a couple in there. And then I got the green onions that I'm gonna chop up, and a few other types of vegetables, which I'll show you guys a little bit later. But for now, I'm gonna go and change out of these church clothes. I know y'all like my, baby shark tie. My kids love it and don't want me to take it off, but you know what? I gotta get comfortable. So, anyways, I'm gonna cut this up, blacken it right here. I'm gonna put everything in, wait about another hour, and we'll be eating good tonight. Well, all right, I just changed, and my little helper here is helping me out with the onions. Check this out.
Yeah.
She's a pro with those chopsticks. Pretty good for a white girl, eh?
Hey, thanks.
Good job.
Yeah.
Yep, that's looking good. That's looking good. And that's looking good. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna cut up some vegetables, and you know, let me show you guys what I got going on here. This you don't really have to cut up, just gotta wash the bean sprouts. These aren't a must, but you know, when we visit the Asian store, the Vietnamese store, we like to, you know, go all out. The Vietnamese store is about an hour away, maybe a little bit less than an hour away, so we don't frequent that very much. So when we go up there, we try to stock up and things like that. So we got some, is this basil? Thai basil?
Yes.
That's Thai basil. We like Thai basil. This is a certain kind of mint. Gonna have to wash that up. And my family likes to have these, are these green beans? Long beans?
Yeah, they're like a long bean.
Yeah, long beans. I love those. And then I cut up some cilantro already. So, and then of course, I gotta have the green onions right here. So I'm gonna cut these up.
Lime.
Oh, I gotta have the lime as well. Where's the lime? Boom, the lime right here. So, gonna have to cut those up. You know, make it in a nice plate on here. Get it all ready, and then in about an hour, things are gonna be good to go. The wife says this is done. So you can see it's got a little blackened around the edges there. And wife's crunched on a pickle.
Sorry.
Okay.
Just went into my nose a little bit.
It's like crunch, crunch, crunch.
I was trying to hold it back and then.
All right, here we go.
I went straight
This
in
is
my
ready to go. Now we're just gonna pour it in. Oh yeah, just like that. Ooh, that looks yummy. So this chicken here is the Cornish hens. You can use a regular chicken as well, but you know, we eat it for at least 2 or 3 days, this pho. So,
We're like Cornish hens. I like how tender the meat is.
yes.
So that's what we do.
We try to make things fast in this house because we don't got much time, you know, before the kids start crying. Got the lime right here. Okay, wash. Squeeze it here. Maybe it's not as sharp as I thought. Wash the bean sprouts. Really good here. We normally don't have bean sprouts because the grocery stores don't sell them anymore here in Texas. So we have to go up to the Vietnamese store to get them.
Well, it's not fresh.
Yeah, at least not fresh. My grandma used to make them, the bean sprouts, on her own. And they're really good, but she's not quite capable of doing it these days. So there we go, look at that. See, it's starting to look real nice.
Oh yeah.
Get some of these string beans, long beans, whatever you want to call it. You know, wash these. Again, not a necessity, but we like eating with our pho when we can.
A nice crunch.
Nice crunch, good taste. Grandma likes it. I'm just gonna cut these into thirds here. I'm gonna lay them along here, just like that. I got the mint leaves here. This is a different type of mint. I don't know what they call it, but look real close if you want, if you like it. They serve them.
It's like a long, skinny
Yeah,
leaf.
they'll serve them at the restaurants sometimes. It's a mint. So I'm gonna put it on a separate plate here because our plate here is getting a little big. And this is the Thai basil. We love, love, love Thai basil.
That looks delicious.
One thing I want to mention, of course, are the meatballs. These are beef meatballs. I know we're having chicken pho, but I love meatballs, so I'm gonna put this in there. Again, it's not required. You can if you want. None of this is required, okay? So, except for the first steps of making the broth. And then, oh, yes. All right, so, look, carrots, okay? Our family likes carrots. Now there's gonna be some of y'all out there that can be like, oh my gosh, you put carrots in pho. Look, it's our family. We can do whatever we want. So we make pho the way we want. You don't have to put it in there.
We're eating pho. We're eating pho.
See, you see that?
He's excited.
They're excited for the pho. So
I personally am the one that loves these carrots.
hi, Jet. Okay, so we put carrots in it. You don't have to do that. Okay, it's still gonna taste good, but we like the carrots in it. So here we go. We're just gonna put some carrots. Last time I got blasted for, like, you know, in my beef recipe, I got blasted for using packaged noodles. Right, and they said, some people said, why don't you use the vacuum sealed fresh noodles? Look, we got it right here. Okay, sure, we can get it. We can get it. Again, the Vietnamese store is an hour away. We don't go there very often, so when we do, we'll get this. But when we don't go, we have tons of this stuff in stock, so we can eat pho every Sunday. Right? Makes sense? So, still works, still good. Okay, you just soak these. But today, we get the fresh stuff. We are ready to eat. Come check out this broth over here. It looks beautiful. Look at this, ready to go. What I'm gonna do now is I cut up these meatballs and I'm gonna put them in. This is, you know, just a few minutes before. Here.
So they're pre-cooked.
They're pre-cooked.
So you just have to warm them.
As you see all these bowls here, I've done all the noodles. I'm gonna finish up with the last one, which is mine. I'm gonna put some of this in here, just like that. Got a pot of water boiling with a strainer, and we are just going to cook these noodles, just like this. It shouldn't take more than just you know, maybe 20 seconds or so for the noodles to get soft and cooked. Boom. I'm gonna put it back in the assembly line here. That's mine. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the chicken out. We're gonna just take one chicken out. And believe me, it's probably gonna fall apart when I take it out. My mouth is watering. If you can smell this, by the way, it smells amazing.
It's delicious.
So, oh, there we go. Ooh, nice. It came all one part. Okay. Again, this is really easy, guys. We're not about, like, slicing and dicing it up. We want to eat quickly. So this is, look, see that leg just came off. See that? So we're just gonna pull it apart and get some meat out of it. So take a couple forks. See that, how it just falls apart? And it is so easy, guys. This is kind of like shredded chicken. I guess it is shredded chicken. I wish you can smell this. It smells so good. It's been boiling in there for a few hours, and here it is. I'm just gonna show you guys on my end what I do. Okay. From here, you put the broth in and the meatballs. And if you want carrots, if you put carrots in yours, just like that. Okay. You bring it over here. Oh, that smells so good, guys. Ooh. That here, some green onions.
Yeah, cilantro, green onions, bean sprouts, everything he's got
Some
up
bean
there.
sprouts. Some of this mint. Just gonna take this and then pluck the leaves off. Get some of this Thai basil. Oops. Here. Just like this. My mouth is watering right now, so I'm gonna do you guys a favor and not eat in front of you, but just know, just look at how amazing this looks. And then, so here we go. We got my favorite Sriracha. Got some fish sauce, soy sauce. If y'all don't like soy sauce, don't put it in it. If you don't like any of this, really, you don't need to put any of this in there because it already tastes good. But I like to have mine have some spices. Got fried garlic, got garlic chili, and of course,
some people put sugar in there.
Some people put sugar in theirs. You know, it's your flavor, right? I'm putting lime in mine. Okay. I like mine spicy.
Oh my goodness.
See that? My mouth is watering even more. I like the fried or the chili pepper, fish sauce. This is the concentrate. Soy sauce. You can put hoisin sauce in there. I like some of that. Fried garlic. Just like that. And what you do, man, just stir it up. Come look at this. Get up close and personal here. See that? Oh, you smell that?
Good. I smell it. My mouth is starting to water too.
So you just mix it in real good, guys. Then just take a little sip. Make sure it's to your flavor. Oh, guys. I said I wouldn't eat in front of you guys, but I am. I'm sorry. I'm gonna take a little bite. Okay. Put a little bit here, here, a little juice. I'm gonna cry.
You cry because it's hot.
No, it's not hot. I was almost gonna cough. There we go. And then throw in the green bean, and we're done. Now that is some good pho. Again, it's quick. Within a few hours, it's done. Feed the whole family for like 2 days, 2-3 days, and you know, again, it's efficient. You don't have to wait days to eat it like some people do, and it tastes really, really good. So go out there and give it a shot. Again, you can use any kind of chicken you want. Put it in a pot and let it boil, right? And follow the steps. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a Merry, Merry Christmas, and we will check you guys next time.
You threw something like that.